for the all participants, the second International Conference on Technology and Educational Science. Introduce myself. My name is Imadi Tegah from Faculty of Education, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. I want to present my paper with topic reading literacy strategies applied by lecture in learning at the Faculty of Education, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. My team member are Inyoman Jampel and Igede Wawan Sudata. Introduction. The first, the reading literacy culture is also felt to be lacking among students. Number two, reading has not become a necessity and habit for most students. Number three, students prefer to play online games, chat, use social media, and watch YouTube rather than reading books, both hard copy and soft copy. And four, the average number of hours spent reading books in a day is still very minimal, which is less than 2 hours. Method. This is a result of survey. The population of the study were 57 lectures and 490 students of semester 3 and 5 of the Faculty of Education, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. The research sample selected by purposive random sampling was 32 lectures and 200 students who were spread over 4 study programs. The data collection techniques used were questionnaire and interview. The data analysis used quantitative descriptive analysis and qualitative descriptive analysis. Result. There are 5 results. Our research. There were 11 strategies applied by lecture in reading literacy. There were various problems faced by a lecture in implementing reading literacy. The lectures had implemented various solutions in solving reading literacy problems. The students are most interested in reading in print form 66.82%. In soft copy, 28.81%. And finally, those who are interested in other types of reading, 3.37%. There are 20 problem faced by students in reading literacy activities. Ladies and gentlemen, now discussion and conclusion. There were 11 strategies applied by lecturers in reading literacy. Assign students to read chapter or section of literature plus number 1, classical discussion and question and answer. Number 2, create presentation media. Number 3, make a summary of the material. Number 4, making papers. Number 5, make a concept map or mind map. Number 6, retelling the content of the chapter. Number 7, answering the quiz. Number 8, create a chapter synopsis. Number 9, make a book synopsis. Number 10, make questions. Number 11, group or individual reports. There were various problems faced by lecturers in implementing reading literacy. There are 20 problems. And there are 3 dominant problems. Number 1, student low reading interest. Number 2, most of the quality reading material are in English, so that students have difficulty understanding the content of the reading. Number 3, low student literacy awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, next, the lecturers had implemented various solutions in solving reading literacy problem. There are 34 solutions that have been taken and applied by lecturers in learning, such as motivation, reward, individual and group assessment. Next, the students are most interested in reading in printed form, in soft copy, and finally, those who are interested in other types of reading. Why students like to printing material? The reason number 1, easier to understand. Number 2, easy to mark. Number 3, easy to read. Number 4, easy to learn. And number 5, more comfortable. There are 20 problems faced by students in reading literacy activities. There are 6 dominant problems. The material is less clear and difficult to understand, easily bored or sleepy, no material to read or a lack of reading material, lazy to read, less reading time or less time dividing, and lack of interest in reading. Conclusion, the results show that number 1, there were 11 strategies applied by a lecturer in reading literacy. Number 2, there were various problems faced by lecturers in implementing reading literacy. Number 3, the lecturers had implemented various solutions in solving reading literacy problem. Number 4, the students of the Faculty of Education are most interested in reading in printed form. And number 5, there are 20 problems faced by students in reading literacy activities. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later again. Thank you.